Got all the pieces, and hopefully it'll be in today. So I've never installed one of these. There's no, it's pretty, I think it's pretty much common sense, but there's no instructions in here. So I'm kind of just gonna wing it and see how it turns out. Yeah. So we'll find out how it goes. As tight as they're gonna get. That looks really good. I like how it turned out. And now all we have to do is wait for that bracket for the driver's side, and then we'll put the seat in, because I have both seats. So it's a couple days later and the bracket finally came in. Yeah, so it's the driver's side bracket that I've been waiting on for a good while, and we're hopefully gonna be installing the seat today. That way we have both seats. As you saw, I installed the harness bar the other day. Yeah, should look good today. The harnesses are also going in. So the seat's in. Finally, that was not lining up due to us bending it when we took it out. So I'm gonna fix that at a later date, some way, somehow. I have no idea, but the seat's in. I'm gonna take a seat in it. Not really moving. Goes back. It goes pretty close and it doesn't rub, which is good. Yeah, I like it. I like how it feels. Feels really good. I'm excited. We're about to take out the straps on these. So this one's ready to go. Just got back from the local hardware store. Reading the instructions on how to do it, but it looks pretty good. Like, I just kind of mocked it up. I got these big bolts, as you can see down there, for that. These grade 8. Gotta be grade 8. Because if you do this, you don't want this to snap. Especially getting a car crash. But yeah, I'm gonna do it through the back. I'm not gonna tie it to the rear. Although it would have been easier, I think it'll look a lot better if I just do it to the harness bar. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna adjust it, do a little time lapse of me adjusting it probably. So hope you enjoy. So I didn't record the driver's side because this is my first time ever installing one of these harnesses. So I just wanted to see how it goes, but it's pretty straightforward. Trying to make sure I got the right one. Yeah. Straight down. Try to eye it out. Match. Alright, y'all, it's pretty much done. It's pretty simple. Both the harnesses went in, no issues. The only issue I had was with that bracket on the driver's side. It didn't want to go in, like if we bent it or something. I'm gonna figure it out another time. So as of right now, it's held in by 3 bolts, which is better than none. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys tune in for the next video. You guys have a great day.